Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off notifications in Windows 10. First, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select System and go to Notifications and Actions. If you want to disable notifications completely, just switch this toggle to the left. And if you want to only disable some specific kinds of notifications, you can uncheck the checkboxes right here for these notifications. And if you want to disable notifications from specific applications, then you can switch the toggle to the left next to the application from which you don't want to receive notifications. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.